After 1 year of nonstop fast food, Max has finally hit rock bottom. He's tired, sick, overweight, and now stuck in a hospital bed with wires taped to his chest and a doctor's warning still echoing in his ears. But then something changes. A small decision. A bite of steamed broccoli. It's barely anything. But deep inside his body, something stirs, like the first spark of a forgotten engine. His heart, once buried under layers of grease and exhaustion, feels the change. It blinks, confused, and starts to wake up. The liver, half asleep and surrounded by old burger wrappers, grabs a broom and gets to work. Even the bad bacteria scatter like roaches, retreating as a wave of real nutrients floods through Max's system for the first time in months. It's not much, just a single clean meal. But inside Max's broken body, a war begins to shift. And for the first time in a long time, hope returns. As nutrients flow in, inflammation begins to fade. The swollen, stressed tissues finally get a chance to breathe. The heart, once exhausted, jolts awake. With new energy, it starts pumping stronger and faster, ready to rebuild. The liver, always the silent hero, opens its tired eyes. Clipboard in hand, it gets back to work, detoxifying, filtering, healing. Even the brain begins to stir. Fog lifts, focus returns. The system is rebooting from the inside out. The sweat droplet gets moving, cooling the system and flushing out heat. The body is no longer surviving. It's starting to thrive. In the gut, chaos starts to fade. The bad bacteria, once thriving, begin to die off, overwhelmed by fiber and nutrients. As the bad guys scatter, the good gut bacteria come alive. They celebrate, multiply, and start repairing the environment from the inside out. With balance restored, digestion improves. Nutrients are absorbed more efficiently, powering every part of Max's body. The liver watches closely. Its job just got easier. With fewer toxins to clean, it can finally focus on healing. Even the brain gets the signal. A stronger gut means stronger communication, better mood, and more clarity. The connection is real. Weeks into clean eating, Max's heart gets stronger. It pumps blood with confidence, fueling every cell with oxygen and energy. The liver is no longer overwhelmed. With fewer toxins and more nutrients, it shifts into full repair mode, cleansing and rebuilding nonstop. Even Max's energy system comes alive. He sweats more efficiently, cools faster, and moves with ease. His metabolism is on fire, in a good way. Inside his brain, the fog lifts. Focus, memory, and mood all improve as the mental control room lights up green across the board. His gut is nearly fully restored. The good bacteria are rebuilding the digestive wall, ensuring every bite gets used to its fullest. After just 1 month of clean eating, Max begins to see real changes. His face is less puffy, his eyes brighter, and his body lighter. The heart grows stronger with every beat. It's no longer under pressure, pumping efficiently and giving Max more stamina than he's had in years. The liver, once sluggish and exhausted, is now in full detox mode. It's filtering toxins like a machine, cleansing Max from the inside out. The brain is sharper. Mental fog starts to lift, focus improves, and his mood stabilizes. He finally feels present again. Max takes a walk in the park. He's still early in his journey, but for the first time in a long time, he sees a healthier version of himself on the horizon. 6 months in, Max looks like a new person. His face is clearer, his energy is steady, and the junk food cravings are gone. He fills his grocery cart with colorful produce, lean protein, and whole grains. What once felt like a chore is now a joy. Cooking healthy meals has become second nature. Max experiments with veggies, whole foods, and even starts meal prepping. Inside his brain, dopamine now fires with excitement when he eats clean. The reward system has rewired itself. No more processed food dependency. Healthy eating is no longer a diet. It's a lifestyle, and Max feels in control of his body for the first time in years. After 1 full year of clean, healthy eating, Max is a completely different person. Lean, energized, and glowing with health. His workouts feel effortless. His skin is clear. And for the first time in years, he actually enjoys looking in the mirror. Inside his body, his heart beats strong, his liver hums along, his lungs take in fresh air with ease. The system is thriving. Organs that were once struggling are now working in perfect harmony. They rebuilt from the inside out. Healthy food didn't just change Max's body, it changed his life. Max dropped the junk. Now drop a like, subscribe for more glow-ups, and tell us your weirdest healthy craving in the comments.